I am Ranjana Burma from St. Michael's Academy. Today in this video I am going to teach class 4th science. I have previous video I have completed chapter 3, the digestive system. So today we will solve some questions. So first question is fill in the blanks. Saliva is mixed with food by the tongue. Second, food is carried by the dash from the mouth to the stomach, food pipe. Third, an acid mixes with food in the stomach. Fourth, blood carries the useful part of food from the dash to the rest of the body, small intestine. The last part of the large intestine is called rectum. Okay. Second question, true or false? Saliva protects the mouth from germs. True. The large intestine does not digest food. True. Third question, the small intestine is shorter than the large intestine. False. Fourth, the wall of the food pipe contracts to the push food down to the stomach. True. Fifth question, the wall of the stomach absorbs digested food. False. Question C, choose the correct answer. Digestion is completed in the stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Digestion कहाँ complete होता है? Small intestine. Second, feces leave the body through the feces leaves the body through the small intestine, stomach, anus. Okay. Third, the useful part of the digested food is absorbed in the small intestine. Fourth, the liver sends its juice into the stomach, large intestine, small intestine. Small intestine. Fifth, the large intestine absorbs water, digested food, waste water. Okay. Now we will solve short questions answer. First question, name the organs of the digestive system. The organs of the digestive systems are food pipe, stomach, small intestine, liver, large intestine and mouth. Second question, where does digestion start? Digestion कहाँ से start होता है? Digestion starts in the mouth. Question number 3, how do the teeth help in digestion? टीथ कैसे हेल्प करता है डाइजेशन की प्रोसेस को कंप्लीट करने में? द टीथ हेल्प इन डाइजेशन बाय ब्रेकिंग डाउन द फूड पार्टिकल्स इनटू लिटिल पीसेस. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज द लीवर हेल्प इन डाइजेशन? डज फूड पास थ्रू द लीवर? Answer will be the liver helps in digestion by bringing juices made by it into a small intestine where digestion is completed. Question is here, does food pass through the liver? No, food does not pass through the liver. Okay. Next question, name two jobs that saliva does. Two jobs that saliva does. Two jobs done by saliva are: first, it helps in the process of digestion by breaking down food into a simpler form. Second, it protects the mouth from germs. So children, you will note down these questions in your fair copy. In next class we will start new chapter. Okay children, thank you.